Now I worked on this Sig Sauer P 365 380 model. It was sticking. When it would come back like that, it would stick, so he had to push it forward to make it fire. Now it still does that, but I'm going to make that slick enough, I think. I have to polish this part of it in here, right in there, if you can see it. I polished it, pretty shiny right now. We're going to shoot it with some ammunition here, 90 grain. The PMC ammunition here. It's 90 grain. It's factory loads. Now the ones that I carry in here are 85 or 90 grain or hollow points. They're much faster. This is self-defense load. By the way, if you're reloading, it's not a good idea to carry reloads in your self-defense pistol or firearm, because they might sue you for saying that you're a dirty Harry and you're whatever, and making these super powerful ammunition to kill people. Well, actually the factory ones are much more powerful and much more deadly. Most of the time. Now we're going to shoot this a little bit. It's not easy to load this. I need a thumb saber and I don't have one out here with me. Make sure it looks like it's on. Yeah. I can't see the monitor on this thing at all. Never put your finger on the trigger, by the way, until you're ready to fire. Now let's see how it shoots. It's so much milder recoil than that Ruger. It's just not like shooting the same caliber at all. Ruger's like shooting a miniature 45 compared to this 380 with a Sig Sauer. But they're very hard to load into these magazines without a thumb saver, so I'm not loading them all up to 12 rounds. And so far it's shooting fine. It looks like I did a successful remodel. Oh, it doesn't want to go in there. All right, it's got the extended magazine on here. You can either one you want, even with 12 round magazine. You can have the short one down here so it's smaller in your pocket. I like the one that you can hold on to it better. So let's see here how it shoots. So far it's done excellent. Matter of fact, remember not to put your hands up high. You'll hurt yourself. Got 6 in there that time. It's hard to load this thing. I would have brought the other magazines loaded already. But I needed to shoot this a little bit. Finish breaking it in and testing my modification job there. If I put this in there, it'll automatically slide the bullet in, so I didn't want to do that. So I let it go off. see I'm painting that target with lead, almost one bullet on top of another with this little thing. A little more accurate than the Ruger, and a lot less recoil. So far it hasn't missed one lick. I hear the quail coming. Very difficult to load for an old man. Well, I got one more in there. That's not easy to do. By the way, Area 51 is right over there. Quite a little way, but it's over there, and it's also down that one end of it down there, and one end of it down there. We get to see those bombers fly over occasionally, and I think you can hear some of them flying over right now. That target won't swing because it's going against something. But you can see the black marks on it. Painting it with lead. Nils got two more to go here. I could not get them in the magazine without a thumb saver. And the thumb saver for the Ruger won't work on this one. These magazines are a little wider. For accuracy, dependability, I would rate the Sig Sauer over the LCP Ruger. Carry-wise, for comfortable, the Ruger is more comfortable. The slides sets back on this one. Now I'm going to put some of these bullets, if I can, in my pistol here. This is what I carry for concealed weapon here. In California and Nevada and Utah and Arizona, all the states near here. In Nevada you can carry open carry if you want to. You don't have to have a concealed weapon permit. You can't carry it concealed, but you can carry it on your side just like in the Old West. This is pioneer country, as they say. Got 3 more to go. I don't know whether I'm going to get it or not. Well, I got 1. That's 10. 11. I got 11 in there. Let's see if I can make the last one. I don't know. I did. Boy, that was a job. One of the best little pocket pistols that I can think of. The P365 Sig Sauer. Luminous front and rear sights. Very accurate. Very good trigger, about 5 pounds, but it feels like a 3. Light, but not as light as the Ruger. Very comfortable to shoot though. Very comfortable. Even the 9mm 365 is very comfortable to shoot. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and come back again.